Have you heard of STEM? Some of you may have heard about STEM but do not really understand what it is and how we can apply it at home. Hi everyone, I'm Miss Ho, founder of Alpha and Friends. In the previous video, I've talked about STEM in the early years, and in this video, I'm going to share 8 tips on how to start STEM learning at home. Well, how do we start? First of all, act now. Start with simple hands-on activities that your child would enjoy the most or interest him the most. Next, implement a routine. If you can schedule, say, science experiment sessions on every Saturday afternoon, that will be good. Why? Your child will look forward to every Saturday and you can plan and turn the play into a play with purpose. Plan for what you want him to learn. You may also consider subscribing to educational products which delivers to your doorstep weekly or monthly. Subscription models like this will ensure that you get to implement the routine in long term. How about the environment? Make sure it is safe and supportive. No TV or tablet as distraction, okay? As for the resources, you can either self-prepare the materials or use the resources from school to extend the learning. Try to make sure you use a variety of materials to enhance the learning. I'm jealous of the parents nowadays. You have lots of options to choose from. You now have the options of ordering online for the educational products that you need and even subscribe to it. Then you get to save the hassle of sourcing and preparing the materials needed, but focus on spending the quality time with your child. That's luxury. So now let's get to the fun part. Let's say you have set a weekly date for science experiment. You have bought the materials needed. You make sure no gadgets around you and you are ready to do the experiment with your child. So please observe and stay engaged. Pay attention to the details. Observe what your child is doing. Engage with him. Listen, talk and ask questions. When you talk, you introduce new vocabs. Think about the language you use as you are playing with your child, especially the science vocabs. If you are doing the science experiments, try to use the scientific terms. For example, we will say, let's test it out, let's investigate, let's classify, instead of just, let's do it. During the activity, remember to ask your children good questions. Ask lots of what and what if questions. Ask what is happening, what are you noticing, what are you doing. The answers are available to your child, or you can lead the child to discover the answers themselves. Ask what happens if you do this. What if human can fly? What if the little rabbit can talk? Asking what if questions can nurture the children's creativity and thinking skills. You may want to adjust the activity to suit your child's learning needs. Make sure the tasks are not too difficult, or else he will find that there's lots of assistance needed from you. But if it is too easy, your child may lose interest. Lastly, remember to have fun. Not only will your child enjoy it, you will also get to bond with your child and have fun learning moments together.